Chief Minister Nongkuman Biren announces awards for SP Thawal and his team for busting a brown sugar factory at Thawal Moijing on Sadbhavana Divas observance. And Forest and Environment Minister Thongnaurim Syam Kumar urges people not to harm biodiversity and encourages people to plant more trees to combat climate change. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You are watching Afternoon News. I'm Ibete Tokchong with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Nation is paying homage to former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi on his 75th birth anniversary today. Several programs are being organized in different parts of the country to mark the occasion. Prime Minister Narendra Modi in a tweet paid tribute to former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi on his birth anniversary. A commemorative program was held at Veer Bhumi in the national capital to pay respects to the late leader. Congress Interim President Sonia Gandhi, former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh, Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra paid their tributes at the event. Rajiv Gandhi served as Prime Minister from 1984 to 1989. This day is also observed as Sadbhavana Divas to promote national integration and communal harmony among people of all religion and languages. Manipur joined the nation in observing Sadbhavana Divas on the 75th birth anniversary of late Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi today. Speaking at the event held at the banquet hall of 1st Manipur Rifles, Chief Minister Nongkuman Biren announced reward for SP Thawal and his team for their milestone operation of busting a brown sugar factory at Thawal Moijing, where the team seized contraband heroin brown sugar worth 166.6 crore rupees on August 17th. He also urged people to know the true meaning of Sadbhavana Divas being celebrated after the altruistic ideology of Rajiv Gandhi to unite the nation. Biren also stated that the government has identified around 20,000 old age pension deprived senior citizens under Go to Village mission to give the benefit. Chief Minister Biren disclosed that government has earmarked 5 crore rupees to give pensions to the beneficiaries of various constituencies in the near future. He maintained that developmental progress brought on by hardly 2.5-year-old BJP-led state government is because of cooperation amongst its representatives. Mentioning that the recent election code of conduct hindered work progress for around 4 months, Biren urged people for cooperation in pacing the developmental progress after the hiatus. The Chief Minister also appealed to wear helmets while riding on two-wheelers. He instructed the Traffic Police Department not to issue driving license to riders who do not wear helmets and to start measures for replacement of tinted windshields of four-wheelers with normal transparent glass at the earliest.
Apunba lamdam ama samkatnaba honaribala ngaakta miyamna positive oiba wakhalonsing phongdokbirukuna hena khomang choksinaba honaba tanja loksi maram aduna ngasigi palan thoram asigi wakhalon adu maruoina lojeraga lamdam asida leiriba kanglup singilu singba singamadi miyam punamakta aigi haiba wakhalon thadokduna mahaushagi nungsi chanaba mari amadi apunbagi saktam adu hena chetsin handuna saukhatba amadi tanglu leitaba lamdam ama semlasi haiba aina hona appeal tawjari masida lamdam masigi miyam gi thabuk tawbiriba civil society organization punamaksu mateng pangbirakani haiba ga sepa thajaba thamjari inana punamak isa gi ithodang longnaba nahonu na wasak lominaba tangai phade.
Taking part in the event, Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar stated that bringing integrity in a nation inhabited by various communities with diverse culture and languages is not an easy task. He maintained that the state will develop only when there is peace and harmony among the communities. He also stated that Manipur might not have developed as it is today if it didn't merge with the Indian Union, which is one of the largest democratic countries in the world.
Nahat lete ban adegi kano to dharna to adegi different kasai blockade to ko mayam ma to dana akoi Manipur si ta thom da bnati is only koi gi hojik lei koi sarkar sna pa ko matung de gi kitang ban blockade na sim khara hande ebise we need to realize the importance of this si torbu kan de dani ngasai chaukat pa development program se unless and until you have peace you have stability later laibe abanate aduna koi punamak hai business so wakal thadimi se aro bidap Rajiv Gandhi na pamjama banglan ase mangphau na ba mangphau na man ba nungsi chana lemina dura laiba asigi amato ebi saktam chetsin nahana ba koi punamak na isa gi ithongtang lona wasak lowersi.
Members of Manipur Pradesh Youth Congress Committee MPCC organized a blood donation camp at Dreams on the 75th birthday anniversary of former Prime Minister late Rajiv Gandhi today. Speaking to media, MPCC President Gaikhangam stated that late Rajiv Gandhi was an eminent leader who worked for the welfare of the poor and the downtrodden and strived to bring national integration, stating that MPCC members organized the camp after the ideology of the late eminent leader. Gaikhangam hoped that blood donated by over 50 volunteers in the camp today will benefit those in need of blood.
Rajiv Jibu ikai kono utjaba aduga ma nungsiba utpa leba asin tobi man khamba utpa oina ngasi Youth Congress Manipur Pradesh Youth Congress Committee simbi langbi dana asim ba blood donation camp se pangthoi sida akoi ibong ibe missing na Youth Congress ki sadasya singna koi anagumba accident da khangde anaba da khangde I pi bangam da ba I daka lerakpa aduga matamda anaba sing sim apun si kanbe ngamne makta hajana ngasi sumba Rajiv ji ki mapok nimit asibu ningsingbo oina so masigi blood donation camp se organize tawjabani.
Forest and Environment Minister Thaunawjam Syamkumar has reminded that deforestation and killing of wildlife are the main causes of global warming. He was speaking at the tree plantation program at EYDC ground of Iroisemba, Chamalau, organized by BJP Mandal Uripok today. The minister added that mass tree plantation is necessary to combat climate change. Brand ambassador of Green Mission Manipur along with Valentina also attended the program.
Iswana piro ko gelefam male pithribi si isana thuai je bisan bi blak dagi ngasidi male malaiba mioi puna mangna ngasidi jaga amda isin kanna chawba jaga amda na ikang thokpa jaga amda nongsi kanna sitpa jaga amda tongan thoi me amsi kari gana amda ngasaki nature na koi da mioi bi landarat pa kari gana amda noi mioi bi na koi gyanta matam boire natraga de koi sona pi basu male pithribi ase ji noi leibe yaro he bai khudam makhala ma kuda patung be ithil inot amdi sengren makhalam mi pung kudi mana u thapagi wakalon lakwa amadi singpat toren preserve tobagi ngangi wakalon lakwa si manglam chanchin bagi khudam man.
DM College of Arts DMU along with YK College Wangzing organized one-day national seminar on Manipuri language in the global context at DM College of Arts today on the 28th Manipuri Language Day observance. Principal of DM College of Arts, Dr. Chungkham Silaramani, Principal of YK College, Dr. Soibam Giri, and President of Manipuri Sahitya Parishad, I.S. Kangzam, attended the event. United People's Front in a press release expressed disappointment that members of CAF and PD Labour Welfare Association had to cease work at Jiribam FCI Godown due to non-payment of their honorarium on time. It maintained that non-payment of honorarium on time is like looking down upon the workers. UPF urged contractor of FCI Jiribam Mathai Enterprises to resolve the matter at the earliest instead of hiring laborers from outside Manipur. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah released a documentary film on women empowerment produced by Resource, a community development initiative titled Lainaga Nungthang, Petals with Hammer today. Speaking at the event held at Raj Bhavan, Imphal, the governor asserted that Manipuri women are naturally empowered and need no further recognition. Jasmine Alangbam and Binodini are in the lead roles of the film, directed by K.H. Biswamitra, produced and written by H. Iswari. The film highlights women artisans of Khangabam Laikai in Imphal West who make handmade indigenous jewellery items to earn a livelihood, thus preserving culture and tradition of the state in the act.
Yes, women in Manipur are empowered. They don't need more empowerment, they only need recognition. That people should recognize their talent and their abilities. And I'm happy that this film will go a very long way for the people to understand the art and culture of Manipur and how beautiful jewelry. The women sitting at home, I didn't see much of equipment with them. It was one hammer and a forceps that with that they were working. And I congratulate the producer and the director of the film.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on assurances given by Union Minister of Civil Aviation Hardip Singh Puri to complete Holongi Airport in Itanagar by 2022. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you are watching Afternoon News. Union Minister of Civil Aviation Hardip Singh Puri yesterday announced that the Holongi Airport in Itanagar will be completed by March 31, 2022. He made the announcement while reviewing the status of civil aviation in Arunachal Pradesh through a video conference with Chief Secretary Naresh Kumar. Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone for the construction of the Greenfield Airport at Holongi near Itanagar on 9th of February this year. Puri further informed that the flight connectivity between Teju Guwahati and Teju Jorhat and the regional connectivity scheme will also start operating this year, as a license has already been obtained from Airport Authority of India for operation of Teju Airport in Lohit district. Infrastructure development of selected helipads under the scheme in Nahar Lagoon, Chuting, Walong, Tapojio and Yingkiong was taken up by the Chief Secretary. In Jammu and Kashmir, after the reopening of primary schools in Srinagar district, government has decided to reopen all middle-level schools across Kashmir Valley from tomorrow. This was stated by Director Information Dr. Sahid Seris Askar along with other senior officials during a joint media briefing in Srinagar yesterday. The official said that the presence of staff at the primary level schools was an encouraging sign, and as such the administration has decided to open all middle schools across Kashmir from tomorrow. It was also informed the Civil Secretariat Srinagar recorded 98% attendance, which is picking up rapidly in other government offices also. Meanwhile, the situation across Kashmir Valley yesterday remained largely peaceful, as no major law and order situation was reported from anywhere across the valley. Manipur Fire Service in a press release urged public to contact Manipur Fire Service Control Room number 841-592-5200 instead of dialing emergency number 101 in the event of any fire-related emergencies, as the emergency number is down at present. Manipur's team has left for Amritsar to take part in Junior National Pancake Silat Championship 2019 today. Pancake Silat Association Punjab organized a championship under the aegis of Indian Pancake Silat Federation from August 18 till August 21. President of Pancake Silat Association Manipur Laishram Syam Kumar flagged off the team consisting of 14 players including girls and 5 officials from North AOC. The team will compete in semi-artistic and tending events of the championship. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongkoman Biren announces awards for SP Thoubal and his team for busting a brown sugar factory at Thoubal Moijing on Sad Vavana Divas of Defense. And Forest and Environment Minister Thongnawjam Syam Kumar urges people not to harm biodiversity and encourages people to plant more trees to combat climate change.